I'm classy. Bougie, ratchet, classy. Why ask me? Uh, Hello everyone, Kelly Stormdoll here, and today we're going into the world of L.O.L suppressed tweens. We have Aya Cherry, Greasy Skates, and you can't forget Goldie Twist. And the twist is Goldie's from the hood. So I was able to get 3 of them. Now there are 4 in the whole collection, but you guys know over here I'm on a dolly diet, so I can't get everyone in the collection, but I did get some. So we're gonna unbox them and we're gonna be right back. So these stands look almost the same, right? My homegirl Hoops. Look at these stands. So one says L.O.L Tweens and one says L.O.L BTW. So most people only got these ones, but some of us will have a little piece of history because we have that BTW. Now I'm interested in seeing what these stands are going to be given with this second wave once I get everyone out of their packaging. We're back. And we have all 3 of these beauties out of their packaging, and all 3 of them, oddly, remind me of people in real life. Like this beauty, Aya, reminds me of Jade from the Brats. Miss Gracie Skate and Miss, what is her name? Goldie Twist reminds me of Danny from One More Chance. If you guys need a reference, I'll put a reference. So I can't wait to see what all of them are bringing to the party. And just like I thought, all of their stands has the new logo. So, Aya Cherry, this is her book. It's blue. She has stars all over it. And in the side it has a picture of herself. It says that she loves comics and video games. That's my type of homegirl. So Miss Aya comes with some goodies and treats. And we're going to see what goodies and treats she comes with. She came with 3 bags. Let's open this one first. Oh, this is so cute. It's a golden kitty backpack. Kitty backpack that you can actually open up and put kitty secrets in kitty side. Oh wow, I'm like gonna cry. It's so cute. So this is Aya's next bag. Okay. Let's see. Oh, Aya, let's see what it's gonna be given on me. I can, oh, it's cute, it's cute. Okay, we have a comb, a pink little comb. We also have this necklace, which is very cute. So let me keep that right there. And she comes with these planet earrings because you know that's a moon and that was a planet. And you know she's into video games and things and such of the things. So let's see. This is her last one. Oh, here we go. And here is her jacket. It is so cute, guys. Look at her jacket. Look at all those details. Come on now. I mean, who's that girl? It's Aya. Like, she's amazing. This is Aya's background. So this is kind of a look into Aya's personality, and it really goes with her little journal because she has a lot of little kawaii themes in her room and things like that, video games and teddies. Very much so me, you know, so I really can relate to her. So this is Aya straight out of the packaging. And these are her cute little shoes. They're kind of dressy, kind of glam, kind of street. She has on her knee highs. She has on her pleated skirt, which is so cute. And the colors are so bright and festive. Then she has on her little button up top. Her nails are as vivid as those hearts on her cheeks. Her lips are giving me whoa. Yeah, she definitely has it going on. She has that brown eye with that pink eyeshadow. And her eyebrows are the same color as her bang. She has blue just dripping through her hair. It looks so good. I love the barrettes. And then the top of her beret hat, it's very soft materials and it has all these jewels and hearts going around it. It almost looks like a cute little kawaii face. So she's definitely serving rich girl at the party. Why is that, Aya? My dad literally owns Sony. Yes, that's what she gives me. And I'ma respect it. Let's move on to my homegirl, Gracie. Now, Gracie has just skated into the party, but she dropped her notebook. So this is the front of it, and it definitely gives me you know, cute feels. Gracie Skates. She loves the roller rink. She's gliding and she's flashy, but she's also chill. Already giving me split personality tease. Don't know how I feel about it. She said flashy and chill. Okay. And what was that at the top? Did it say make you think twice? Ciao. Oh no, it said this or that. Okay. Okay, well, let's see what she's giving. This is her first boutique bag. Okay. Oh, alright. She's definitely giving me, I'm a cutie on duty, okay? I'm loving the yellow. You know, I love a lightning bolt color. So that was giving, you know, a slight give, you know. It's giving. Okay, let's see. Oh, I think I know what this is gonna be. And it's so cute. These are her glasses, and you know, I wear glasses, so I love this. She also has this cute necklace. They all have the same necklace so far, just different colors. These are her earrings. Both of them are triangles. And then this is her comb. It's so cute. Gracie, you're adorable, honey. You're a star. Okay, let's see. Oh, what is this? Oh, a purse. Okay. This really doesn't do anything for me. So let's look in Gracie's background to see what it tells us. Well, she's into botany. You know, we already know she's into skates, so we try to look for other things. She also loves the sea because that's a pearl. And of course, if we go, we see the disco ball because she also loves the ski. We just try to look for other things in her personality. She's messy. We look for other things in her personality with these backgrounds as well. You know, we try to get as much character development as possible. So here we have Gracie, and she's definitely welcoming us to her party. Look at these skis. They not functional because they're fashionable, okay? Yes. Going up to her jumper, which is made of a nice thick material. It is kind of a dingy white and pink material, so you guys get into the realness. Her nails, girl, what paintings are you, girl? Them nails look good. Look at this top underneath. The buttons literally match the nails. That is so cute. And I love the makeup against this skin tone. Don't try it at all. Don't try it at all. I know that's right, girl. Black with the white, with the pink dripping, and then you got some blue pearlies. These girls ain't gonna play. They said series 1 was a joke. That's literally what they said. Season 1, here we go, y'all. Goldie twist, and the twist is homegirl is from the hood. Now you know Goldie's running into school and she drops her book, of course, so we pick it up and we rummage through. Now it has flowers and everything all over it. We already know she's into that flower power. Goldie twist, it says she's into hairspray. She's a social butterfly, but she's a wallflower. Child, who? I think somebody didn't want me to read these, because why would you put such contrapoints? Wow. Okay, well, let's see what else we got going on. Okay, get into one of these flower patches. This one has pink flowers. Pink has always been lucky, so this is gonna have something we're really gonna like in it. Pink has always been lucky. Oh, let's see. This is cute. It says too cute tea. And it's like something you can open up. It's functional. It's a mirror. That is so cute. And it's real reflective. Like the light is really reflecting into my eyeballs right now. Now this, MGA, you may have to tell me what this is for. It's just one squiggly line. I'm not sure. And then she comes with these earrings. Now these earrings are beautiful. Look at the clear that they put. That is too cute. Okay, let's get the yellow flowers open. Yellow has always been really lucky for me. So let's see. Oh, her comb is green. This is cute. This is the first time. It kind of looks like it'll glow in the dark type of green too. And then these are her glasses, looking so cute. Now the last one is the purple flowers. Let's see what this is giving. Oh my god, this is giving me functional. Wow, look at her rolling bag. It almost looks like you could. You can open it. Oh my god, her travel bag is so cute. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Let's look at her bedroom. Let's see. Is she sitting on a secret? Okay. Oh my gosh, she's into vinyl. She's into records. Who would have known? You know, I would have never known that. She's into arithmetic. That is actually a puzzle. If you guys didn't know that, she's into something. Mushrooms on her walls. Look who she watching on TV, y'all. Now you know she's into something because she's look who she watching. You know what groovy represents. Her name isn't groovy for. Oh, look, BB nails. And she loves Pokemon. This is so cool. Like, she may be the, I don't know. Is she my top? I never thought she would be my top choice. Now, Goldie comes in with the clear boot, which is already a statement piece. I can't resist it. You can see right through to her flower stockings going up to her outfit, which is patchwork purple greens on top of this vinyl piece, and it's plastic. It looks so good. And underneath she is wearing a short set, so she has shorts and she has a top on. When you go up to her face, her eyes are blue and she has that vivid green eyeshadow. I love her spiky eyelashes. Her eyebrows are beautiful. Her lips look good. Her hair is the softest out of all three, and she comes with this beautiful bow. Like, this is so cute. But I really do love these girls, so I want to know what you guys think about them. Are you fans of them? Are you not fans of them? I'm excited, and I'm actually glad that I did get more, because originally I was like, well, I got 2 from series 1. That's gonna be enough for me. But now I'm like, I wonder what the next series is gonna bring to the e-party. Like, I really like these girls, and it's so hard for me to choose a favorite because aesthetically they are all so different and so beautiful in their own different types of ways. So make sure you guys stay to the end, because I'm gonna have some cool photos. Like and share the video, and remember, I will see you in the next one.